Rclone versus Rsync versus Syncthing. Which file sync tool should you use? So if you've got files to back up, sync or move across devices, choosing the right tool matters, especially when reliability and speed are on the line. So these three are the most popular options out there. Each one is great, but they're made for different jobs. So now let's go ahead and break down the pros and cons so you can pick the one that fits your setup the best. So now let's start with Rclone. So Rclone is like a Swiss Army knife for syncing and copying files, especially to and from cloud storage providers like Google Drive, Dropbox, S3, OneDrive, and many more. It works from the command line and gives you full control. Now let's talk about the pros. So it works with cloud storage and local drives, supports encryption, compression, chunked transfers, easy to automate with scripts, works on Windows, Mac OS, Linux, but there are some drawbacks. So no real-time sync unless you add custom setups, requires CLI knowledge to get started, no built-in GUI unless you use add-ons. Now this is best for users who need to sync or back up to the cloud with full control and flexibility. Okay, so next we have Rsync is a classic Unix tool for local and remote file sync over SSH. It's fast, reliable, and widely used for server backups or moving files between machines. Now let's talk about the pros. So it's fast and lightweight, uses SSH for secure remote sync, only copies change data, which saves bandwidth. Also, it's great for automation and cron jobs, but there are some downsides. Doesn't support cloud services natively, CLI only, no GUI. It is limited to point-to-point syncing. Now, this is best for power users or sysadmins who want efficient scriptable syncing between systems. And last we got Syncthing. This is a real-time peer-to-peer file syncing tool. No cloud, no central server, just your devices talking to each other directly. It's private, encrypted, and runs automatically in the background. Pros, real-time syncing across devices. It's fully decentralized and private, has a user-friendly web interface, cross-platform, so Windows, Mac, Linux, Android. Cons, needs both devices online at the same time, can be tricky to troubleshoot with firewalls, not ideal for cloud backups. Now this is best for people who want a Dropbox style sync without the cloud or who care deeply about privacy and decentralization. Okay, go for Rclone if you're working with cloud services and want powerful backup or sync tools, or go for Rsync if you need efficient scriptable transfers between servers or drives, or go with Syncthing if you want real-time private syncing between devices without using the cloud. Each tool shines in its own way. It's all about how and where you want to store your files.